Jigsaw planet. This is how I do it. Here are saved puzzles. All those, some of them that I've solved and I store because maybe I will want to do them again. Here I search for puzzles among the ones uploaded and liked by people I'm following. I search also through search engine, writing in a tag. And browse them here. I like customizing puzzles. I like small amounts, so this amount is okay. I like traditional shapes, so this one is okay, but it can be always changed. For more fancy one. After solving each puzzles, I give a like. Here the counter only counts per user, so if I solve one puzzle more times than one, it just counts as one. And if I customize, there is no list of best times. Other ways of searching for puzzles is among last created. I browse them here. Many puzzles these days are AI, but I prefer from real photos. I also search among now played. Here this fancy ghost shows how the picture looks like. I enjoy creating my own puzzles. From free photos available online, from print screens of something I watch. And if some users have plenty of beautiful puzzles, I like going through all of them and solve the ones I like. So I guess that's it. That's how I use Jigsaw Planet.